Max Muay Thai fighting. Let's go.
Please feel free to take photos and videos. Even times don't have soul, the athletes can see later. Since then, Dr. Bob has been considered as the father of Muay Thai.
What you think? Who you got?
I got blue, man.
You gonna take the blue?
Little fella, man. He fought with heart. I think he gonna end up. He gonna end up wearing them damn legs out. I think he gonna be done.
I don't think so. I think the guy in the red got the distance on him, got the reach on him. He can get out of.
He bigger and stronger, yeah.
I think he's bigger. I think he's strong.
I think he gonna get frustrated because little man still in the fight.
I don't know about.
I think after that first glory, I thought he was gonna be done with.
Well, so far Red done won tonight.
Yeah, he up, man.
Oh, that's my ring girl.
You got the ring, girl? yeah, it was another great night here. The fights was amazing. Little short for the time. I think total we spent maybe 1 hour here. $45, 1,500 baht. Not too bad a deal. Fights were very exciting. I think, unfortunately, one of the guys got a shoulder injury. But besides that, hey, you can't blame it. Overall, I think it was a good night. Hey, thank you for watching.